I'm Ronak from Quali, here to demonstrate how easy it is to provision and tear down environments with Quali's Torque, a very easy way to stand up your environments. By environments or sandbox, what I mean is the group of compute, database, and other cloud assets that come together as a deployment target for your applications to run on. Said another way, as a DevOps professional that will be responsible for provisioning out these assets, really the purpose of it is to enable development teams to run their applications on. And the example we'll be using today will involve a Minecraft server as a fun way to show you the power, but it can be any type of target. So let's get into it. I have a YAML which represents my Minecraft server environment. You can use it for anything such as provisioning a LAMP stack environment. Here I'm saying we're not allowing people to start up a server with spectator option. I'm going to save it. I'm going to commit my changes in a good DevOps practice way. We make small changes often and commit. Get status. I can see my blueprint changed right here. I'm going to add that change, and then I'm going to commit it, and then I'm going to push it, and that'll push it into my server, my repo. Here is my repo. Here are my blueprints, and you can see that the Minecraft server YAML has been updated 18 seconds ago. Wonderful. So it should be available to Torque. I'm going to go into Torque. I've logged in to Torque here. Right now, my blueprints available are Jenkins, but not for long. Let's go into the Blueprints tab. I see Minecraft is available. Turn it on. I can even look into it and see, oh, indeed, I can see spectator is no longer allowed. Now I want to provision this out. It has been, let's say it's been approved by IT. It's ready for me. I'm going to provision a new sandbox. Now you can see the Minecraft card is here. I'm going to start up this environment. I'm going to name the environment server. As you can see here, I no longer have the ability to see the spectator. I'm going to create a creative version, and everything else is right. Let's just start it up. Great. Now let's look at the sandbox. Here in the quick links, I will have my IP here shortly. And let me get ready to enter that in. All right, this was the old IP. Here we can see it's provisioning and creating. In the back end, it's creating this through Amazon. You can see in the settings, I have an AWS account hooked up. Here's the repo that the sandbox is connected to, and that pulls blueprints automatically. And we created the sandbox, it's launching. You don't have to wait here for the quick links because an email will come back to you, but we'll go ahead and speed this up and get you to your quick links, which will happen here in just a couple of minutes. Torque system has now started provisioning out the applications of a console and the Minecraft server itself, and then the infrastructure will be provisioned here. Now you see the quick links has populated the IP of our environment. So I simply just open up Minecraft here just to show you where we're at. I go to multiplayer, I edit, I type in the IP and hit done. I join this server and voila, I'm here. Is this indeed creative? Well, let's see. Oh, look, I can float above in the worlds here. Okay, that's great. Now, let's say I'm playing with someone and they're annoying me. And I don't know if you guys know this, but there's a term my son turned me on to called rage quitting, where you just quit in a huff. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say, no longer do I want to play with this person. I'm just going to end this environment. This is how easy it is to tear down a sandbox with Torque. I'm going to say, yes, I'm sure. I end it. It's going to remove all the assets in AWS for me. I don't have to worry about anything. There's no trailing user group, database, or compute service on here. And then let's look at what happens to the Minecraft server. So I think I'm playing along for a while. I'm moving around. Okay, that's great. I see in the background that the sandbox says it's deleted. I'm living on borrowed time here. And in the background in AWS, the environment is being shut down. Oh, connection lost. Java IO exception. Rage quit. And there you go. That's just how easy it is to stand up an environment and tear it down in a huff if you want with Torque.